back. I'm Madam AI and I test AI tools so you don't have to. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of how I styled my model and little spider monkey Coco using Pinterest, Midjourney, and design, and how I turned them into dancing avatars with some fire choreography. Let's get into it. Pretty stacked, right? Here's my Madam AI tool belt. You've seen most of these in my first behind the scenes, but One AI is new for me. This is the first time I'm testing it on my channel. Just select trendy streetwear from Pinterest. Okay, YouTube family, we are in Midjourney. This is where I get to play digital stylist. This should look familiar to you because in my last behind the scenes video, we also worked in Midjourney. Here you can see I've taken the clothes from Pinterest and I've taken the character and prompted Midjourney to place her into those clothes. And so then we will repeat that same process. Now we have the stills to go back and do an animation. Okay, YouTube fam, here's where all the magic happens. We get them to jump in the clothes. Let's take a look at the prompt. Have the woman skip and clap her hands and then appear in the clothing in the end frame. So we have a start frame, an end frame, and boom, we get her to jump in the clothes. We do the same thing with Coco. Have the spider monkey give the peace sign playfully, then jump and appear in the clothing in the end frame. That is precisely how the magic happens. A start frame, an end frame, and it animates it. Okay, YouTube fam, we are on TikTok, and this is what I use to find the dance, right? So I'm just looking for something that fits the vibe of both characters. But you can also use yourself dancing, and I'll tell you how to use that in the next step. Okay, YouTube fam, we are cooking. So now we're gonna do the dancing avatar. We're in One AI. I go down to Photo Animate, select Avatar. And here I'm able to put in the character. So I upload the character and then I upload the video from TikTok or whatever other social media platform or a video of yourself. And it's literally that simple. Hit create and boom, you're off to the races. Okay, once you've hit generate, you'll be able to see the results. I just want to point out something very quickly. You'll see the reference photo there and you'll see the reference video there. Okay, and then once you hit generate, it's going to generate exactly the animation that you're looking for. It's as simple as that. Boom, a star is born. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and make sure you click into the shorts to see the full version of the dancing avatar video. And that's a wrap, YouTube fam. If you want to see how this all came together, go watch the full dancing video and I'll catch you in the next one.